Hey Monica, so you asked me how to add a video to Facebook to have it autoplay. So I went ahead and created a video on Animoto. It's pretty cool actually. It's actually cheap. It's $60. You might like it. It's $60 for the year for a personal plan, which gives you pretty much everything you need, and they have all kinds of video templates you can make and whatever. Or you can make your own videos or do whatever you want, and you want to upload them to YouTube. But once you have the video, you need the actual file to do this. So you can go into your YouTube channel, like just go to your video itself. You just open the video up like this. And then here's the video. Just click on edit video and it'll bring you right to the YouTube studio where I was. So you want to grab your video and download it. Go to actually you want to go to click the back button and it will bring you to this section right here. So it's going to show you the video and you're going to click right here and you're going to download the video. So if you don't already have the MP4, download it like this. I went ahead and created it in Animoto, and it allows me, after I make it, to download it in several different styles. So I downloaded it in 720. So once I have it downloaded, go to your YouTube page and click on Write a Post, and then click on Photo Video, and then you're going to upload photos and videos. And let's go to my video right there. Okay, so it's going to ask me to describe my video. And you can add a thumbnail if you want. Mine already should have an auto-generated image, so I'm going to leave it as that. I can do tags. And I can add it to a playlist if I want. I can select the language. It should be English. Mine doesn't need any captions or anything because it's just music and stuff like that. So you can go through here and I'm using Safari, so it won't work. So I would recommend using Google Chrome, but you can add any other additional information you want by going through these. Then hit next. Oops. Gotta add a title. Okay, so then hit next, and you can just hit publish now. Display and watch. This is where it's going to show up in the watch. Allow embedding. People can embed it if they want. You can choose if you want to make it available at any other page. You can turn off reactions and things like that. Just leave it as is. And then hit publish. So it's going to take a minute to process it. And then it should automatically play. And you don't have to do anything else. So as soon as it finishes, it'll let me know. And then we'll take a look. Okay, so I just refreshed the page actually, and I'll do it again. And as soon as I do, it just automatically plays. So I don't have to do anything. So that's how you get your videos to autoplay in Facebook.